Scientists accidentally discovered a woman frozen for 10,000 years. Not only did she show no signs of decay, but her skin was also incredibly smooth and delicate. As they carefully examined her with a flashlight, they suddenly noticed her pupils reacting to the light. The scientists tensed up, realizing this was a response only seen in living people. They quickly shone the light into her eyes again, and sure enough, her pupils constricted once more. The scientists promptly informed their colleagues, and they hurriedly wheeled out an EEG machine. After connecting the woman to the device, the results shocked everyone. Vera's woman from 10,000 years ago was still alive. They immediately set up electric heaters to accelerate the melting of the massive block of ice. As the room temperature steadily rose, the woman miraculously came back to life. Seeing the unfamiliar surroundings, Annie began trembling with fear. To calm her down, the scientist had no choice but to sedate her with a tranquilizer. When Annie woke up again, she was much more stable. At this point, Jack, who was nearby, tried to communicate with her, but she seemed unable to understand his language. Suddenly, Annie felt a slight discomfort in her arm. When the scientists removed the bandage, they discovered that the wound from taking a skin sample had healed miraculously. They quickly analyzed Annie's genes and cells, finding that her genetic makeup differed significantly from modern humans. Her cell division rate was an astonishing 10 times faster than the normal human rate, explaining how her wound healed so rapidly. Just then, a colleague rushed back to the base, collapsing heavily at the doorway. This base was located in the coldest part of Antarctica, and he had encountered a sudden drop in temperature while out surveying, causing extensive frostbite all over his body. The team hurried to treat him, but the frostbite was severe, and his heart was about to stop. Without immediate medical attention, he would lose his life. As everyone stood frozen, unsure of what to do, Annie, who had heard the commotion, came over. She gently placed her hand on the man's body, then closed her eyes and held her breath. Amazingly, the man on the brink of death instantly came back to life, and even his frostbite vanished in a flash. This scene, completely defying science, left the surrounding scientists stunned. But just then, another accident occurred inside the base.